Breaking news. Attorney General Merrick Garland has decided to make it easier, yes, easier, for criminal aliens to remain here in the United States. Attorney General Merrick Garland has used his prerogative to certify a case before the Board of Immigration Appeals and turn around and reverse it and remand it, and basically said, look, Congress may have said aliens who commit serious crimes are ineligible to apply for political asylum or withholding of removal, but I'm going to make it a lot more difficult. How am I going to do it? Well, I'm basically going to turn around and say, well, yeah, there was a criminal conviction. This guy was a pretty bad guy. He did something pretty awful. But we want the immigration judge in a removal proceeding to actually undertake an analysis of the alien's mental state at the time they committed the crime. Even if there's no evidence of that factor in the original criminal trial or in the sentencing, even if the matter was never brought up or what have you, when there obviously would have been opportunities to make all kinds of claims. So now immigration judges are supposed to hear from immigration lawyers claims about the fact that years earlier, the alien's mental state is somehow relevant and needs to be analyzed, according to Merrick Garland, to figure out whether or not the person is in fact a threat to public safety. Okay, nothing in the statute says anything about threat to public safety today. Trying to figure out the alien's mental state years earlier when witnesses may be gone, dead, deported, removed, whatever. Trying to find evidence that old of something like that. You're going to get bald assertions from immigration lawyers. All this does is take an immigration court system that already doesn't work, that's already backlogged, years and years of cumbersome procedural process, and turn it into a complete disaster, because everybody's going to be making these claims when you're a criminal alien that your mental state was such that you did something and you didn't mean to do it, or maybe you were temporarily insane or what have you. And how is an immigration judge supposed to figure that out anyway? There's no analysis in this decision by Attorney General on what the impact would be on the court system, how burdensome it would be on the trial process, the removal proceedings, whether or not as an evidentiary matter it makes any common sense at all, or whether there's any evidence in the statutory law that gives the Attorney General this authority. No. It just makes it easier to make sure criminal aliens are never removed from the United States. Thank you, Merrick Garland. We really needed that.